In this video, we're diving into how to use Top Echelon's data analytics to unlock powerful recruitment insights that can help you take your hiring process to the next level. If you're new to this software, stick around because by the end, you'll know how to leverage these insights to make smarter recruitment decisions with less guesswork. Top Echelon's data analytics feature is a game changer for recruitment. It lets you access detailed analytics and insights about the candidates, clients, and trends in your market. With this information at your fingertips, you can fine-tune your strategies to attract and place the best talent. And the best part? You can try it all for free through the exclusive link in the description below, so don't miss out on the bonuses we've arranged for you. Let's start with the dashboard. When you log into Top Echelon, you're immediately greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Here, you'll see key recruitment data at a glance, candidate placements, client activity, and recruiter performance. This is where the magic starts. You can track how well your recruitment efforts are paying off, identify bottlenecks in the process, and spot high-performing areas that are working. One of the first things you'll want to explore is the candidate sourcing analytics. Top Echelon aggregates data on where your candidates are coming from, whether it's job boards, referrals, or social media platforms. By seeing these insights, you can focus more on the most effective sources, saving you time and effort. Plus, you'll have a better understanding of the candidates you're attracting, helping you adjust your approach if necessary. The software also includes candidate tracking, where you can monitor each stage of a candidate's journey. From initial application to interview and placement, you'll get granular insights on how long candidates stay at each stage. This can help you optimize your hiring process by identifying areas where things slow down and making adjustments to improve efficiency. For example, if you notice that candidates are lingering too long in the interview phase, you might want to refine your interview process to make decisions faster. But that's not all. Top Echelon's data analytics also provides you with real-time market intelligence. It collects industry trends, job market data, and salary benchmarks, which can give you a competitive edge when negotiating with candidates or clients. Knowing current market trends allows you to offer candidates more competitive compensation packages and position yourself as a recruiter who's always on top of industry changes. This data-driven approach helps you make decisions that are backed by hard facts, not just intuition. Another incredible feature is the recruiter performance analysis. This tool tracks your team's productivity, helping you see which recruiters are closing the most deals and which areas need improvement. If you're managing a recruitment team, this feature is invaluable for managing performance and ensuring that everyone is on track to meet goals. If you're aiming to scale, you'll appreciate how Top Echelon's data analytics helps you do that. The software allows you to identify trends in your performance over time. Are you getting more placements in specific industries? Are certain roles easier to fill than others? These insights will help you allocate resources more effectively and focus on the areas with the highest return. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the link in the description to get an exclusive and extended free trial of Top Echelon's data analytics software. With this trial, you'll be able to fully explore all the features I've mentioned and more, giving you everything you need to supercharge your recruitment strategy. To recap, Top Echelon's data analytics offers you in-depth insights into sourcing, candidate tracking, market intelligence, and recruiter performance, all of which are designed to make your recruitment process smarter and more efficient. Try it out for yourself, and you'll quickly see how powerful this tool can be in improving your hiring results.